Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. I want to formally welcome you to this live session on ceramic production. This time, Pottery Craft Project, Jattu Uzarue is partnering with Vista Technical College to showcase an aspect of ceramic production. Just now, what we're going to do is to trim, to shape some already cast pieces to desired aesthetic purpose. Here we have this on the potter's wheel already. It's a flower vase, sizable flower vase. We tend to give it a foot because it has no foot. We are working with this to give it a foot, either like this or like that. So that is that. The second item here is mini flower vases. This one is also cast from the mold. You can see the mold. This is from plaster mold. They are not like egg, like someone will be tempted to think. They are actually flower vases, mini flower vases, cast for production. And you can see that for the purpose of mass production, we are going to, this mold contains 8 pieces at once, so that each time you cast, you produce 8 items of the same wear. And this vase, as you are seeing, is designed, or is going to be designed to be used for dual purpose of a mini flower vase and a candle holder. So we are going to design it in such a way that to serve the dual purpose. Here is one of them. Ideally, we cannot do like every vocation. We have materials, tools, and equipment. Right now, we work within the scope of what we are doing. Subsequently, we'll be discussing materials, tools, and equipment, and how to produce them, use them in ceramic production. Just now, we have some items here from known to the unknown, simple items. Here is a knife, very useful tool in cutting pots or pieces of slab, clay slab, for the purpose of production. So knife can easily be acquired or bought in the market. Buying the one that suits your purpose is very important. The next thing here is pin. Pin is very useful when we are throwing to trim our wear or thrown wear on the wheel head. This is it. It's a very good one with a cork for handle here. Then here the next one is cutting wire. A cutting wire is useful for removing the thrown piece from the wheel head after throwing. Then the next one here are what we call turning tools. The turning tools are useful after we have made our wares on the wheel, and they are already allowed to dry to leather hard state, such that we can still cut them. They will not be too hard for us to cut. So these turning tools are used to trim the edges like this. We put them on the wheel and used to trim the edges, especially when we want to put what we call foot ring, something like this. We use them to shape the foot ring. And here we have 2 types. We have the one with an angular corner and the one that is curved. depending on the shape you want to put on your throwing wheel. And here we have again rib, you can call it rib, made of plastic for dressing the side of your wheel, either during throwing or after throwing. And finally, and very commonly, we have what we call the foam. Foam or sponge is useful when you are throwing. You can use it to introduce water to the where you are throwing, or to remove water from inside the piece you have just thrown, so that inside will not be waterlogged before you remove it from the wheel head. So thank you so very much for that introduction. We want to go straight to what we have to do now, and that is about the trimming of the wear and the base of what we want to do. Like this, we cast this to give us a desired shape. We'll just very quickly cut through like this, like this, like this, like this, and we'll move it off. See what I've just done? Because the flower pot here originally does not have a fruit. We don't produce fruit, so we'll made this cast so that it will have a fruit. So when you can see the difference it's going to make. You can see the difference it's going to make with the fruit. Otherwise, it would have been just like that. Aesthetically, it's not it's not beautiful enough, it's not good enough. But when you put this, something unique is added. Something is added to it and makes it elegant and useful. So this is what we'll be doing in a short while we are addressing this other one too. Thank you, and keep watching and be informed. Thank you so very much.